people talk about keeping their bodies healthy, something that many people forget about is their mainframe. Well, the mainframe of our bodies is our bones. So what's the first thing you think about for making your bones strong? More calcium, right? Well, that's true, but I'm here to tell you that calcium alone is just not enough. There are other nutrients like magnesium, vitamin D, vitamin K that are essential for bone health. And these all work together as a team for better absorption and effectiveness. You see, your bones aren't just hard, lifeless structures. They're constantly in motion. They break down and they rebuild themselves. Well, nourishing them with the right nutrients is vital for avoiding problems in the future. So where can you get all these nutrients together and in the right balance? Yes, most of them can be found in your food, but in today's fast-paced, fast food world, it's becoming nearly impossible to get sufficient amounts through food alone. Well, that's where Magnical-D comes in, a balanced blend of calcium, magnesium, vitamin D, and vitamin K. Magnical-D provides these essential nutrients in an easily absorbed supplement that will support your bone, cardiovascular, and cellular health.
It's important to know what forms of nutrients you are taking in. And it's just as important to know how well they are absorbed into the system. Did you know that statistics show that nearly 80% of adults and 40% of children are deficient in calcium, both in the US and China? A lot of that is a result of many supplements on the market using forms of calcium that are not well absorbed. Sadly, most magnesium supplements on the market today contain magnesium oxide, which clinical studies show is only absorbed 4% of the time.
For instance, magnesium, when used in a 1-to-1 ratio with calcium, helps your body absorb and retain calcium. It works closely with calcium to build and strengthen bones. While most supplements on the market today use vitamin K1, we chose vitamin K2 for Magnical-D. It has the unique ability to act like a traffic cop that allows the calcium to be deposited in your bone, as it also blocks calcium from being deposited in your arteries.
Vitamin D, also known as the sunshine vitamin. It is another important member of the Magnical-D team. In a world that is increasingly shunning the sun, many are suffering from vitamin D deficiencies. So how do you know if you're one of those people? Well, for some, bone pain and muscle weakness can mean a vitamin D deficiency. However, most symptoms are actually very subtle. If you're deficient in vitamin D, it can pose risks including heart disease, brain fog, asthma in children, high blood pressure, and diabetes. While sunbathing may be out for a lot of people, it's still in your best interest to ensure that your body has a sufficient amount of vitamin D to help absorb and maintain healthy calcium levels.
You have to understand that we took 18 months to develop Magnical-D, and the main reason is a major study was released in 2012 that showed that there was a potential danger of taking calcium alone or calcium not balanced, and in fact it potentially could double your risk of having a heart attack. Now, Deanna Latson, myself, and the chemists realized the importance of supplementing calcium. We need that.
When it comes to our bones and our teeth, as well as overall support for a balanced, healthy body, Magnical-D is the perfect solution for countering common vitamin and mineral deficiencies while keeping the body in a natural, balanced state.